So now we changed the liquid level meter gauge. This is the new liquid level. So now we're gonna see if this is fixed. We're gonna upward here, and now I'm gonna level up again. And as we see, the liquid level didn't reset. So now we're gonna to the top. It's in the maximum. So we're gonna drop it again. So the problem is the liquid level meter.